Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the world of versatile makeup with the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick in Dazzling Peony. This product promises a luxuriously creamy and blendable color suitable for your eyes, lips, and cheeks all in one convenient stick. Let's kick off with an overview. The e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick is a cream-to-powder formula designed to deliver vibrant, blendable color. Weighing in at 0.155 ounce, this stick is perfect for creating a seamless monochromatic look. Infused with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and vitamin E, it promises not just color but also skin benefits, providing a refreshing moisture boost. Plus, e.l.f. prides itself on being 100% cruelty-free and vegan, making this product a conscientious choice for beauty enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about my experience using it. From the moment I picked up the stick, I appreciated its lightweight design, which made it easy to toss into my makeup bag for on-the-go touch-ups. The application was smooth, and I found it effortlessly blendable. Whether I used my fingers or a brush, the color melted into my skin beautifully, providing a fresh, flattering finish. When it comes to performance, the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick truly shines. I tested it in various scenarios: a casual lunch out, a long day at work, and even a night out with friends. In all instances, the color held up remarkably well without fading or becoming patchy. I found it especially stunning as a blush and eyeshadow, giving my cheeks a soft glow and adding a lovely shimmer to my eyelids. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, this product is incredibly versatile, allowing for a cohesive look with minimal effort. The formula is non-greasy and lightweight, and the nourishing ingredients are a significant plus. However, one drawback is that the color payoff may not be as intense for those who prefer a more dramatic look, as it is designed for a more natural finish. Comparatively, if you're considering similar products, you might look at the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush or the RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek. While they offer comparable versatility, they tend to be priced higher, making the e.l.f. stick a fantastic budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing quality. In terms of value for money, the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick is exceptional. Priced affordably, it combines quality and performance, making it a worthwhile addition to your makeup collection. The build quality is solid. The stick glides on smoothly, and I've had no issues with the cap coming loose or the product breaking, which is often a concern with cream products. User-friendliness is another highlight. The stick's design makes it easy to apply, even for beginners. Just swipe and blend, and you're good to go. My experience with e.l.f.'s customer service has been positive as well. They are responsive and helpful, ensuring any queries you might have are quickly addressed. In real-world testing, I utilized the stick during a busy day of meetings and social outings. It held up well through sweat and wear, showcasing its durability. I haven't encountered any significant updates regarding this product since its release, which indicates that its initial performance remains top-notch. To wrap it up, I genuinely recommend the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick in Dazzling Peony. It's perfect for makeup enthusiasts looking for a multi-use product that offers a fresh, vibrant look. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this stick is a great choice. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty content. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to purchase the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick in the description below. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments, or share your thoughts if you've tried it. Happy blending!